What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jamie and I'm back again with another video. And today's video is I'm going to do the first mod to the Ford Fiesta. There's a little vlog today, maybe some other stuff, I don't know, but I'll put a little Sunstrip on the Ford in it, so keep tuned and clean it because it's here, it's so dirty. I haven't cleaned it in ages. Alright, now so what I'm doing now is marking how low I want the Sunstrip. So I'm on my own, so I locked it in this door, I locked it in the other door, and I go inside the car to see how low it's gonna be. So that's how low the Sunstrip will be, which is yeah, that's quite decent. That's quite decent. That's not bad. Yeah, because I can still see everything. And then look, clean off the sunscreen and everything. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it with the tape right here where I want this bit to be, and the same thing on the other side. Then I'll document it. So right now I've marked equally on each side where I want the Sunstrip to be. So you've marked that side, I've marked the other side, and now I'm going to clean the whole windshield and make sure there's no dirt or anything or dust, and make sure it's all clean, ready to put this on. And also, because it's quite cold now as well, I'm going to turn on the demisters to heat up the windshield, so it sticks easier. Alright guys, right now I'm going to clean the windshield. Got a spray bottle with some soap. Got a spray bottle with some soap to clean it, and then this one's just water when I'm putting it on. And I put the car on the heating on to make the glass warm as well, so it's easier for the vinyl to stick. Right, it's clean now. Back to tools you need. This and now you cut off the excess. There you go. On the inside there's no water bubbles or whatever, which is good. You've only got this line, but I'm gonna sort that out with a hairdryer. And yeah, that's literally how simple it is to do a Sunstrip. And I'm just gonna cut off the excess down here, across there, and do up the edges with the hairdryer, and you're good to go. Right, so now I'm tucking the edges. I'm using the hairdryer to let everything stick, and sort of pushing it down there with the squeegee. So right now I'm about to cut this edge down here. Alright, let's see how I get it done. There we go. Corner's done. With this. And then I squeegee it with the squeegee. As you can see, down here is not tucked, but I'm just tucking it slowly, and that's how it's gonna look. So you got to heat it really hot with the hair dryer so it can stick, because obviously it's still wet. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on with the other side. All cut nicely. Let's go inside and see how it looks. Looks like on the inside. No bubbles, as you can see. So I've done a good job in it. Sleep job though. Mad. Alright, so I finished now. I'm in the VXR now because I'm doing some stuff to the VXR. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe and support the thing, as I always say. And I also have another channel called The Life of Jamie where I post more of like vlogs and less car things. This is the car channel where I post car stuff. So if you want to see more about a different side to me, then go on the Life of Jamie channel. And yeah man, thanks for watching. Bless up.